Okay, now it's time to focus on her lips. We're going to add a little color to her lips. And I want you to pay attention especially to the layers over here. Obviously, we can't select her lips if there's no lips on the layer. So we're going to go down to the background copy and use the selection tool and select her lips. If the picture that you're doing this on after this one has teeth, you want to make sure that you do not get the teeth in this or the gums, just the lips. Okay, so you want to get as close as you can, but then you're going to click on Refine Edge, and you see that it's not a very good selection. So we're going to increase the smooth all the way up, and then we're going to increase the feather a little bit so that we don't have a definite line. And hit OK. So now we have the lips selected. We want to put them on their own layer, so Control J. And now you can see our lips are on layer 8, and we can go to Image Adjustments, Hue Saturation, and you can change the hue, you can change the saturation, you can decrease the lightness. And after you get it a color that you like, you'll notice that the sun or the lights in the studio apparently kind of hit her lips here and here. So you want to get the Dodge tool. Make sure it's on 30%, midtones, and just briefly go over those points. Not a lot, just once. Okay, so we can see the before and the after. And then you're done with the lips.